Okay, so we are just about to take a gold long position. Let me just take the position and then let's have a talk about it. Okay, so I said to you guys before on social media that in my trading community, we now trade gold. Okay, now it's through a private Telegram group, and what you do is you basically receive signals on when to enter, when to exit. You're given a take profit, you're given a stop loss, but it's not run by myself, it's run by my son, Scott Sambora. So he has put a number of signals in 40, 50 minutes ago. So we've already taken some trades. So straight away, Marco's taken 88 points. I've taken 129 points there. Dom 114 points. Lisa another 149. So she must have had a previous trade on gold as well. Yeah, look, Dom had 72 points up there. Let's have a look. I have taken 2 lots. Gold moves very, very fast. The gold trade in private Telegram group has been very, very successful. Very, very successful. Gold moves very, very fast. You can make profit very quickly, but you can also lose money very quickly. But you know, you're given a stop loss, you're given a take profit, you're given the opportunity to take multiple positions, so to stack positions or layer them, as Scott says. But we'll come back to this in a while. You can easily take 100 points from this, easily, maybe 150 points. Okay, it moves so quick. It's good, guys, because in my community we trade futures and now we also trade gold. We trade stocks, but that's the swing trading part of the private Telegram group. But when we're intraday trading with futures, we are also trading intraday with gold. And if one is not working, the other will. So for example, if you're having a slow day in futures, or even if we've taken losses on futures, 9 times out of 10 we're covering that loss with a gold trade, and vice versa. So it actually works. It works both ways. So it's been extremely successful. We'll come back to this in a while. Easily take 100 points from this trade. Let's come back when we're 100 points up, and I'll probably just take profit on that. I'm only using 2 lots. Wait until you see the profit that we're going to return. The yielded return on 2 lots only, 107 points up. Look at this, unbelievable. I'm just going to take profit. Okay, look at this, guys. 117 points over 200 euro. Boom. Thank you very, very much. That was a fantastic entry. It was a fantastic signal. Unbelievable. I literally hit right in it there at the bottom. Scott did provide a number of signals. We took profit, as you've seen in the Discord community, in my trading community. And then once there was a pullback, I re-entered again. Some people will re-enter again, some people won't. You know, obviously I've seen there was a beautiful pullback, so I've actually went in again. This is the kind of opportunities that you get in gold. These are the type of trades that you can actually take. Okay, so I said I was looking for 100 points. I got more than 100 points. Okay, over 200 euro. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, guys, that's, most people work 2 days or at least a day and a half to make 200 euros, right? I mean, how many people make 200 euros in, I don't know, like half an hour? It's pretty incredible. I will put another trade in here. Okay, so in Scott's signals, he did indicate that we should take positions at 243, 240, just below 240 right now. So I'm actually going to take another long position, another 2 lots. And again, the price action has slowed down somewhat now. So this might be a little bit slower. I will be happy to take about 50 points from this trade. As a matter of fact, no, let's go for the 100 again. Let's go for another 100. Okay, so 103 points is 190 euro. So I'm actually going to set that because I'm looking at some other things. We shall come back to that in a while. Actually, let's keep our eye on this one because we want to make sure that we actually capture the trade when the take profit is filled. Okay, so I will keep my eye on this. We'll come back to this one again in a while. So far, gold trades this morning have been excellent. A lot of opportunities. Now, it's not like this every day. It's not every day we get multiple opportunities, With gold, sometimes there's literally 1 or 2 trades a day, because Scott only takes trades when the setup is correct. Okay, so he's looking for the price to be in certain zones. So I mean, this morning has been an extremely good day. We've taken something like three gold trades, roughly. Okay, so we're back. I'm just going to take profit on this. Another trade, guys. Look, 51 points. A little bit of a pullback there. Let's wait for it to hit the 50 points and we'll get out again. That's the great thing about trading gold, is that you can get these big points, very, very quickly. Again, we're looking to make sure that we're managing that risk. At the moment, I've not put a stop loss in, but for example, if this started to pull back really, really quick, I would liquidate and get out. Do you know what? I'm just going to take this because it does look as though it's struggling to recover here. So let me just take it. Another 44 points. So another €80, guys. Another €80. So that's 2 trades, €280. I typically make 1,000 a day. That's it's very, very good, isn't it? 2 trades, €280. The opportunities in gold are really, really good. As I said, it's not like this every day. I mean, I've taken something like 4 gold trades today. That's not typical of gold, because normally not that many opportunities come up in such a small space of time. So this morning is kind of an unusual kind of situation where we've got so many opportunities. So, but even then, guys, you're talking about, you can easily take 100 points per trade. So if you guys want to join the gold trading private Telegram group, you know how to do. You just get in touch with Scott Sambora. Okay, you'll find him on Instagram, Scott Sambora. If you can't find him, just DM me. You know how to get in contact with me at this stage, and I'll put you on to him. This is it's a wonderful opportunity to take 100 points in a very short period of time.